the fourth industrial revolution, which is where we are now, it's actually changing the way we work forever. Yeah, that's the reality of where we're at. And I might just sort of give an example. So when the first industrial revolution was coming to an end, there was actually a major issue, and it was in the late 1800s. And as everyone moved to mass production and manufacturing, everyone lived in the cities, and there was actually a problem with manure. Everyone had come from the country to the cities, and all of a sudden people were moving around cities and goods were moving around cities, and there was actually a manure problem. Everyone thought that this problem was insurmountable and it could not be solved. But in the end, what happened? Urban planning took place, cars were invented, then trams were invented, and guess what? The manure crisis of the late 1800s was resolved. Now, hold that thought and think of where we're at now in the fourth industrial revolution. Our manure problem is data. We have got so much data now, we have no idea what to do with it. Then, if you look at urban planning, which was what solved the manure problem, urban planning is equivalent to a strategy. You need a digital strategy now. So without a digital strategy, you can't solve your data problem. And then if you look at the things like cars and trams, which solve the manure crisis, ultimately that's the technologies and the things that are around us now. So Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, blockchain, collaboration, dispersed workforces, and all of this sort of stuff. And ultimately, these are the things that we actually have confronted with us now, and we have to work out what to do with it. So that's sort of a real sort of practical example of the evolution of workforce management.